Okay, so here is a question number 1 on this is from a sample paper, and you can see we have a right angled triangle and we need angle X. Okay, so we need angles. As soon as we need angles, we know that it's nothing to do with just Pythagoras. We actually do need to use trigonometry, but it is a right angle, so there's no further trigonometry. It's just SOHCAHTOA. So here are our triangles. These are triangles you need to kind of memorize. SOHCAHTOA and TOA. Now we need to figure out which one we need, which ratio we need to use. So first of all, we label the triangle. So this is the angle. The hypotenuse is always the one opposite the right angle. The right angle is always going to be the biggest, and it's always going to be opposite the biggest side, because this is always going to be the biggest angle in a right angle triangle, as the other two add to 90. And it all works on ratios, so the smaller the angle, the smaller the opposite side. So it's all ratios. That's how we use these ratios to work that out. And if this is X, the one opposite would be the O, and basically the other one is A, but that's A means adjacent, next to the angle, and it's obviously not the hypotenuse. So we don't care about the opposite in this occasion. We've only got the A and the H, so we just look at our ratios, and the one that has A and H is the C one, which is cosine. So cos theta equals A 8.3 divided 9.5. Now, the thing to remember with angles, you are splitting this cosine and theta, angle theta, up, because we actually need this. We need the angle. So to do that, you need to leave the angle over this side, you need to inverse cos. Okay, so you just put that all in your calculator, literally like this, cos to the -1. You'll need to press shift and cos, and then in a bracket will open, you will put in 8.3 divide 9.5 and close the bracket, and that should give you 29.11. And then the answer says for you to have it to 1 decimal place, so the answer 29.1. And that's a kind of a straightforward trigonometry question there, with just sort of one step finding the angle. So I hope that's helped some of your trigonometry queries. Thank you for listening.